The faculties of GLS BBA believe and teach their students to be versatile and tackle any situation come what may. Who would have imagined a virtual farewell would be possible? But our dynamic and very versatile faculties have made this possible too. We, the students of the batch 2017-2020, would take this moment to express our immense gratitude towards the faculties for the extreme support and the guidance they have provided us throughout these years. Let us begin by one acknowledging the contributions and talents of all our amazing faculties. We begin our gratitude note with our senior most professors, Tejal ma'am and Shrida ma'am. Tejal ma'am is an epitome of punctuality and perfection, while Shrida ma'am outstands with a super sharp memory and great observation. With her entrepreneurial abilities, Vinita ma'am inspires students to become visionary leaders, while Neha ma'am, the Mother Teresa of GLS BBA, makes sure that students possess a philanthropic demeanor. An ace in finance, Swati ma'am loves teaching students with a great sense of humor. And our creative, hardworking, and super friendly Penal ma'am has her own unique fun teaching method. With his friendly and rational teaching approach, Maitre sir makes statistics a very interesting subject to study. While our very own kind and empathetic Pooja ma'am makes sure that students don't lack emotional intelligence. An eminent economist and a great observer, Vrinda ma'am's lectures are fun to attend. And our very versatile Minoti ma'am can teach you tax, finance, law, and also business ethics. From science to finance to marketing and of course fashion, Himani ma'am knows it all. And Sonal ma'am's extraordinary teaching methods and her super cool attitude is admired by every student. Last but utmost important, the backbone of GLS BBA and the ultimate support system, a dynamic leader and a great mentor. Our very own Shefali ma'am continues to inspire and encourage all of us in so many ways. The entire staff of GLS BBA is extremely supportive, right from the admin staff who make our admission and fees payment procedures very smooth, to the librarian sir who always guides us on which books to read, which guides to refer to, etc. Deepak sir who always encourages us to participate in different tournaments. And of course, our dear Usha Bain, Naran Bhai, Vipul Bhai and Pathak Bhai, who are always there to help us. While we continue our journey of pursuing different career paths ahead, we'll be carrying bundles of memories and happy moments which will be cherished by each one of us forever and ever. We are, we were, and we always will be extremely grateful to have such lovely, lovely faculties like you all. The GLS family will be missed a lot.
याद आएंगे टीचर्स हमको दिल से हमेशा